What will DJI Enterprises be releasing at Airworks 2018? Let's see if we can find out some inside information before the official release. Welcome to Results with Drones, the podcast for those who want to know how and learn best practices on using their drones commercially. Join us in this short, fun little episode where we try and find out some inside information prior to the releases of whatever's happening at DJI Enterprises Airworks 2018. Okay, we are here at Photo Plus Expo in mid-October, and we want to get a heads up on what's coming out at the Airworks show in Texas next week. We want to know about the Mavic. Tell us about that, Ed.
So, no comment on Mavic. Mavic
Enterprise.
Oh, I don't know if there's anything about that.
Oh, okay. So you can't tell us about the. If you can't tell us about the Mavic Enterprise, what about the Phantom 5?
I don't know anything about that. Phantom 5. Look, what I can say is the Phantom's always been the heart and soul of this company. However, there's a Fast and Furious 1 through 7, probably 8, something like that. Wouldn't surprise me if there was a Phantom 5 coming out soon. I'd love to see that. That's the.
But there's no inside information you give us about DJI's newest and greatest unreleased drones yet, can you?
No comment.
No comment. Alrighty. Maybe we'll find out next week at Airworks what DJI will be releasing. Until then... Yeah, no, we didn't actually get to find out any information, any inside information on what they'll be releasing, but it's coming out any moment now, so let's stay tuned and take a look. I'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to this show, either on YouTube or in Apple Podcasts, formerly iTunes. Thank you, and remember to plan your flight and fly your plan. See you on the next episode. Bye for now.